Some bitch. Hey guys, so back again. I'm installing the some body parts for the E36. So this is the E36 Sum Bitch Racing kit. I believe it was actually produced at Big Duck Club, but whatever. This is what this is how it looks mocked up. Side skirts. Have the rear spats taped up. It's not going to look exactly like that. Side's a little bit off. There's a little gap, but nothing little lifting up can do. Yeah. Lip is a bit off, but you know, like I said, pretty cool. I'll probably just go one here, here, and then all the places that'll possibly flex. This side, of course, will be pushed in. I'll show you maybe that side. Let's just hope that driveways do not destroy this thing, because that would suck. And here, guesstimate at this point where my points are going to be at. We're going to start with the smallest bit and work our way up till our rivets fit. I'm going to try to go through these points over here, next to the grill. These areas are pretty direct, and then we'll go from there. No, 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 no. So far the front fits good. I just gotta cut that excess off that rivet. Over here on this side's good, but fortunately on this side, the way this, yeah, it's not. This side's not fitting too well, so I might have to do some shoving and pushing just to get this thing to fit. And yeah, so I'm gonna get a rivet on the inside here against this part, because I have really tiny rivets and they kind of suck at they're too short, so I'll have to figure something out. And then we'll move on to the side skirts and then the spats, and then yeah. So alright, just got back from the store to buy a bunch of rivets, because the ones I have are way too small, and there's an assortment of all these rivets, so this would definitely help a lot. I'm just gonna change the head, and then so these look a little funky. Yoink! The amount of times I've taken this bumper off is way too many. Alright, so this video is kind of all over the place. So this right side's down. I used these are 1 1/8 rivets. They work really well, actually. I got this from Amazon. It came with a bunch of tips, but this I'm using the it says 2.4 tip it on my dick, tip it on my dick. So yeah, so this side's done. I mean, I really don't want to re-drill again. I've already drilled like way too much. Well, I've drilled like one side already. So I mean, I kind of just went with where the flex points would be when I'm driving. Kind of eyeballing it. I know it's not ideal, but it is what it is. So yeah. So far so good. Except this side, obviously, it's not cooperating. So this one I might have to re-drill another hole and yeah, rivet in there's the stupid little gap, but you know, it is what it is. Don't really complain too much about fitment too much, as long as it looks dope, which it already is, by the way. I'm just gonna finish up the lip, and then I'll move on to filming. Well, not even one day to drifting in, and I'm already doing some zip tie shit. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's on. Fuck it, we'll run it. Just gonna shave these off with my little grind, and then we'll bolt this on and go onto the side skirts. Let's just hope that this doesn't become a reoccurring thing. Alright, so this side, just gonna work our way down. Same thing. Probably gonna go here, here, maybe one over here under the the B pillar. Then I'm gonna try to lift it up and then force one in there, because this one's kind of, fitment's kind of ass on that end. And just like that, the kit is on. The only real concern is this side, the zip tie that I haphazardly put on. And this side, I used the smaller rivets, so I don't know how this will hold. I mean, it looks sturdy, feels sturdy. So yeah, now all that's left to do is to get this painted, which I will do one of these days. But yeah, oh yeah, the hubs too. That's the next project. But yeah, that's how it looks. So yeah, and I'll probably go to Harbor Freight, buy some aluminum variety rivets. Main one I used is the 1/8 by 5/8 rivet. This worked pretty well. You know, just install right away. The only time will tell if the how strong these rivets are and whatnot. Yeah, don't mind those two things. But yeah, that's it for the install, and I'll see you guys in the next one.